Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Christmas is fast approaching and I wanted to do something a little different, than just the traditional stuff. Get some more recipes under my belt, so I decided to do up this sticky Christmas chicken. And it's loaded with seasoning and spices and stuff like that. Came out absolutely incredible. You are going to love it, so let me show you how to do it.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do here, guys, is grab up about 6 chicken thighs, and we're going to put slices diagonally down the center. And this is going to make that marinade sink in and make them cook a little bit better. And as I always say, it looks pretty good too. Next up, I'm going to grab them up and put them into a large Ziploc bag. You can use a bowl too, but I just find a Ziploc bag works a little bit better. Okay, let's make up our incredible marinade, starting with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and if you find that's a little too much, a little too tardy, you can always cut back some. Then in with 1/2 cup of lightly packed brown sugar. Yes, believe it or not, a teaspoon of cinnamon. About 3/4 of a teaspoon of, nutmeg. Then another teaspoon of ground ginger. About a TSP of the old saltation. A teaspoon or 2 of the old ground black pepper that I love so much. 1 star anise, and I just love star anise. Grab up the old micro grater and grate in, I'd say about a tablespoon of orange zest. You don't want to get too deep into that orange or it'll be bitter. Then of course, slice that orange in half, grab it up, and juice in the juice from it. This is about, I'd say maybe 1/2 cup of orange juice, something like that.
Okay guys, this seems like a weird conglomeration of things, and it probably is, but I think it's going to work and it's going to be really, really good.
Now, of course, grab up the old spoon and give everything a good mix. And guys, this smells absolutely intoxicating. Now, you guessed it, of course, we're going to pour that marinade over top of that chicken. Making sure it completely covers that chicken.
Okay guys, we're going to kind of massage this and sploosh and splosh it around type of thing. And I'm only going to leave this for, I don't know, like half an hour or something like that, if even that, before I put it in the oven. But for you good folks out there, you might want to leave it a little longer. Maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours or overnight would be best. But I'm just going to leave it a short time because I am filming.
Alrighty then, you want to make sure that bag is well sealed up and just kind of give it a press down. But it's looking good to me. So into the refrigerator we go.
Okay guys, I've left this for about 30 minutes and it's looking pretty good. Like I say, you can leave it a little longer. But what I've done here with my my baking tray is I've lined this with kind of a double sheet of aluminum foil here and then some parchment paper over the top. So this is going to get kind of messy and really sticky, so it's going to save us a lot of time trying to wash this up.
So now, of course, you want to grab that chicken out of the bag and simply lay it onto that parchment paper and, just get some even spacing between them. And of course, you want to spoon up some of that marinade and spoon it over the top. Make sure you get lots of it because it is so good. Okie dokie, we are going into a 390 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Now, after about 30 minutes, I'm going to pull that chicken back out. Of course, it's not cooked yet. And pour some more of that juice over the top, and now we're going back into the oven for another 15 or 20 minutes. After another 15 minutes, guys, we are done it, and doesn't this look absolutely sensational? Anywho, let's plate this up with some orange slices on the side. You can even put some greens underneath, like romaine lettuce or something like that. It would look so good. Of course, garnish with a few chopped green onions over the top. And there she be, guys, our sensational sticky glazed chicken. Great for the holidays or for Christmas. I don't know, in my humble opinion, it looks absolutely fantastic. Of course, you can let me know in the comments section below what you think. But my thought is serve this up with some mashed taters and some veggie on the side and maybe even, even some cranberry sauce. That would be some heapin' good chicken, I think.
All right, let's cut in here, guys, and see what we have. Be coming this way. Oh, just look at this. Absolutely incredible. Love the color on it. And that chicken, if I spin this around a little bit, it's going to be so juicy. Oh, this is going to be great. Okay, let's give it a try here. That chicken is juicy, and the orange really shines through. That seasoning and those spices are just absolutely wonderful. And it is sticky, indeed. You are gonna love this, definitely. I must make it. If you do make it, leave us a comment, give us a like. It really does help with the channel. And if so, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time. And of course, I'm gonna have some more sticky chicken. It is so good. Yeah.